Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to stroke text in Adobe Photoshop. So let's begin. Already create a new file, choose the text tool, right click on your mouse, text color, red color, text style Arial black, text size, then type text, stroke text, double click the text layer, then step on, click effects, stroke, outside, inside, center. Okay. Hope this tutorial helped you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.